Welcome to our discussion on a topic that's gaining momentum in the AI community: governing agentic AI systems. As we move further into the 21st century, artificial intelligence continues to evolve at an exponential pace, paving the way for what we call agentic AI systems. These are AI systems that can pursue complex goals with limited supervision. But how do we govern such systems? How do we ensure they're safe, accountable, and beneficial to society? That's exactly the question we're going to explore today. We'll be dissecting a technical paper that delves into this subject, breaking down its insights to make them accessible and understandable. To start off, it's essential to understand what we mean by agentic AI systems. Agentic AI systems, as the name suggests, are intelligent systems that exhibit a degree of agency. They are capable of pursuing complex goals and can function with limited supervision. To put it simply, these systems can make decisions and act on their own to achieve a predefined goal. Now, let's consider a practical example. Imagine a self-driving car. It's an AI system designed to navigate roads, obey traffic rules, and ultimately, get you from point A to point B safely. But it's not just following a predefined path. It responds to real-time changes in its environment, traffic, weather, obstacles, and makes decisions on the fly. This dynamic, autonomous decision-making capability is what makes the self-driving car an example of an agentic AI system. On the other hand, consider a more limited AI system like a chess-playing computer program. It can analyze the board, consider different moves, and select the best one based on its programming. But it doesn't have the same level of autonomy as the self-driving car. It can't decide to play a different game or change the rules. It's confined to the narrow task of playing chess. So the key difference between agentic AI and more limited AI systems lies in their level of autonomy and the complexity of the goals they can pursue. Agentic AI systems can operate with less supervision and handle more complex, dynamic tasks compared to their more limited counterparts. With this understanding, we can now delve deeper into the potential benefits and challenges of these systems. Agentic AI systems, as we've defined, hold immense potential that's worth exploring. These systems, capable of pursuing complex goals with minimal supervision, can revolutionize various sectors of our world. Imagine an AI system that can manage an entire supply chain, optimizing for efficiency and cost-effectiveness, or a system that can conduct advanced scientific research, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The possibilities are vast and awe-inspiring. One of the primary benefits of agentic AI systems is their efficiency. These systems can process large volumes of data at incredible speeds, making them highly effective in managing complex tasks. This is especially useful in fields where data is abundant and decision-making processes are intricate, such as finance, healthcare, or logistics. Another significant advantage is that agentic AI systems can perform tasks that are beyond human skill or capacity. For instance, in healthcare, an agentic AI could analyze a patient's entire medical history, along with the latest medical research, to recommend the best possible treatment plan. This could significantly improve patient outcomes and revolutionize personalized medicine. Additionally, agentic AI systems can offload tasks from humans, freeing us to focus on areas where we excel, such as creative problem-solving and strategic thinking. This could lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction, as well as new opportunities for human advancement. However, it's important to note that the concept of agenticness is not only a beneficial property, but also an impact multiplier. As these systems become more capable and autonomous, their potential to both help and harm increases. Hence, the more agentic an AI system is, the more crucial it becomes to ensure its safe and responsible use. While the benefits are clear, ensuring safety and accountability is crucial for the successful integration of these systems into society. As we delve into the practices for safety and accountability in the next section, remember that the potential of agentic AI systems is immense, but so too is the responsibility that accompanies their use. This brings us to the heart of our discussion. How do we ensure the safety of these agentic AI systems? Well, the paper proposes 7 practices for safety and accountability. Let's dive in and demystify these practices. Firstly, evaluating suitability for the task is like choosing the right tool for the job. It's about assessing whether the AI system is a good fit for the task at hand. Just as you wouldn't use a hammer to paint a picture, you wouldn't use an AI system designed for language interpretation to perform surgery. Next, constraining action space and requiring approval is akin to setting boundaries. Just as we limit a child's play area to keep them safe, we need to limit the actions an AI system can take. We also need to ensure that certain actions require human approval, much like a parent approving a child's outing. The third practice, setting default behaviors, is like programming preset modes on a car. For example, an eco mode for fuel efficiency, or a sport mode for performance. Similarly, we need to set default behaviors for AI systems that align with their intended purpose and safety requirements. Legibility of agent activity, the fourth practice, is about transparency. Just as you'd want to know what's going on under the hood of your car, we need to ensure that an AI system's actions and decisions can be understood by humans. Moving on, automatic monitoring is like having a home security camera. It's about continuously checking the AI system's behavior to ensure it's acting as expected, just as a security camera monitors your home for any unusual activity. The sixth practice, attributability, is about accountability. Just as a car's license plate identifies its owner, we need to be able to trace an AI system's actions back to the entity responsible for it. Finally, interruptibility and control is like having a kill switch. We need to ensure that we can stop an AI system's actions at any time, just as we can hit the brakes in a car when we see an obstacle. Implementing these practices is the first step towards responsible integration of agentic AI systems. With these practices, we can guide the development and deployment of agentic AI systems, ensuring safety and accountability while reaping the benefits of this powerful technology. However, the adoption of agentic AI systems isn't without its challenges. The indirect impacts of widespread adoption are vast and varied, requiring us to consider additional governance frameworks to ensure a smooth transition into this new era of technology. First off, let's talk about adoption races. These occur when organizations rush to implement agentic AI systems, often without the necessary safety measures in place. It's like a high-stakes race where everyone is rushing to cross the finish line with the risk of causing accidents along the way. To prevent this, we need to establish a culture of safety and responsibility, where the focus is on doing things right, rather than doing them fast. Next, we have labor displacement. Agentic AI systems, with their ability to pursue complex goals with minimal supervision, can potentially replace human jobs, leading to unemployment. This is a societal challenge that needs to be addressed by creating new jobs, retraining workers, and possibly implementing social safety nets to support those affected. Then there's the shifting offense-defense balance. In the world of cybersecurity, for instance, agentic AI systems could be used to launch sophisticated attacks, while also being used to defend against them. This creates a shifting balance of power that could lead to an escalating arms race of AI capabilities. Ensuring ethical use and creating robust defense mechanisms are imperative in this scenario. Lastly, we have correlated failures. Imagine a scenario where a single failure leads to a cascade of failures across various systems, much like dominoes falling in a line. This could happen if many agentic AI systems have similar designs or share common vulnerabilities. To avoid this, we need to promote diversity in AI design and ensure robustness against systemic failures. Each of these indirect impacts presents a unique challenge and requires thoughtfully designed governance frameworks. It's not just about making the AI system safe, but also about creating an environment where they can function without causing unintended consequences. Addressing these indirect impacts is as important as implementing safety practices. It's about shaping a future where agentic AI systems can coexist with us, enhancing our capabilities and enriching our lives. It's about steering the course of AI development towards a future that's beneficial for all. As we conclude, it's clear that governing agentic AI systems is a complex yet vital task. We've journeyed through the intricacies of these systems, their potential benefits, and the critical practices needed to ensure their safety and accountability. We've also delved into the potential indirect impacts of widespread adoption of these AI systems, which further underscore the need for robust governance frameworks. Reflecting on all this, it's evident that the road to integrating agentic AI into our society is paved with both immense opportunities and significant challenges. It's an exciting time, with the potential to redefine efficiency, task completion, and even the concept of work itself. But it's also a time that calls for caution, foresight, and responsible innovation. We urge you to think about how these practices might shape the future of AI development. Consider how they could impact societal integration and the balance between convenience and control, benefits and risks, progress and precaution. Thank you for joining this enlightening discussion. We hope it has sparked your interest and curiosity in this vital area of AI. Before we sign off, here are some additional resources for those interested in learning more. For a deep dive into the world of AI and its governance, check out OpenAI's white paper titled Practices for Governing Agentic AI Systems. It offers a comprehensive look at the challenges and potential solutions in this field. For a broader perspective on AI regulation, Forbes' article, Artificial Intelligence Regulation: Why Experts Are Calling for Slowing Down AI, provides a comprehensive analysis of the current state of AI and the need for its regulation. If you're interested in the implications of AI on marketing, Generative AI has already reshaped marketing. Where will it go next? Also, by Forbes, is a fascinating read. Lastly, the article Implanting Legal Reasoning into AI Could Smartly Attain Human Value Alignment says AI ethics and AI law offers a unique perspective on aligning AI systems with human values. We encourage you to engage with this topic in your communities or workplaces. Remember, the future of AI depends on informed and responsible actions. Thank you, and until next time.